Hey guys, and welcome to today's vlog, which is the Arnold. I am so excited. I am all packed ahead of time for once. Yes. Weighed my suitcase to make sure I wasn't overweight, and I am ready to go. So I just finished my first meal of the day. It's not sitting quite the greatest in my stomach. I feel a little bit bloated, but it is what it is. I'm sad to leave the cats and Cuddy, but I'm only going to be gone for a weekend, and then I'm home until show day. So I am going to head off to the airport and we'll get the vlog started. You'll notice that this is like 2 seconds ago, or 2 seconds after my outro from the LA vlog. So yeah, I kind of like gapped and didn't do an outro clip for that, but it is what it is. And I hope you guys are enjoying my little traveling adventures these last couple weeks. And yeah, I keep saying end, which is awkward. So I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Alright guys, so I started unpacking and realized, duh, do the hotel tour. So this is the bathroom. Ta-da! Cute closet. This will be my workspace where I'm going to be editing this YouTube video and the one that's going up today from LA. This is the kitchen. So I've got access to a stove, dishwasher, fridge, all that good stuff. Little couch, bed, TV. Probably won't use the TV too much. Definitely will spend a lot of time here. And yeah, so that's the hotel. I'm gonna go check out their gym and see what cardio they have. So let me unpack and do all of that. And then I'll take you guys with me to Kroger, which, like, amazing. They have a free shuttle to Kroger. Like, it's the little things. It's the little things. So I don't have to pay money for an Uber. I get a free ride all the way to Kroger to get food for meal prep. I am, like, on top of the moon right now. So I'm going to finish unpacking and I'll take you guys to Kroger so you can see what food I am buying so that I am on meal prep while I am here. And this will be much more successful with meal prep than in LA. Trying to find the gym. This is really close up. Cute. Okay, they have an elliptical. That's all I need. It's really tiny. And a mirror for selfies. All right, we are in business, guys. Okay, time to get to Kroger. This will be my whip on the way to Kroger.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me.
Do I get the spicy brown mustard or the jalapeno mustard? Decisions. This is actually pretty tough, guys. I mean, they're both spicy. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna regret this. It's gluten-free. All right, let's give this a try. I can't have these because they're not on my approved food list, but Carb Master yogurts are actually really, really yummy and super low in carb. The apple cinnamon one sucks. Banana cream pie is pretty good. Blackberry is okay. Raspberry is okay. Strawberry and banana is okay. And cinnamon rolls, meh. But yeah, they have like a lot of good flavors and they're super low in carbs. So just a tip for you guys. When your organizational skills in your cart are like on point. So they had everything I need, I think. I'm not forgetting anything, but that looks like it. So I'm gonna go and pay for this and then go back to the hotel and I'll show you guys like exactly what I got when I get back. Alright guys, so back from the grocery store, and I'm going to show you exactly what I got. So I got, focus, 1 sweet potato for high carb day, chicken, I went with the jalapeno mustard, I got some apple cider vinegar, I like to take a shot of that every morning. I've got this adobo seasoning. I've never tried it before, so I don't know. I've never seen it before either, and it looked cool, so I was like, okay, I'll get that and try it on my chicken. Got my olive oil, Frank's Red Hot sauce, because I put that shit on everything. My shredded lettuce, a lot of it. 2 gallons of water, because health. Frozen green beans, and diet twisted mango Coke, because treat yourself. I know in my last grocery vlog, I gave these like a 4 out of 10 and said they were subpar, only because you don't really taste the mango, but I wanted some Diet Pop, so I got those. So yeah, that is my grocery haul for you guys. This camera is not focusing. So yeah, that is the grocery haul for this trip. I forgot egg whites, so I'll have to go back, but it's right beside the gym, so that's perfect. And side note, I'll turn this around. Totally random side note, but my room number is 109. So anyone who used to work with me in the corporate world at TELUS would know that my extension for my desk and office was 109. And whenever someone would call my extension from within our office, I would always answer it as feeling fine at 109. So if you know me from Toronto and you remember that, give this video a thumbs up. Specifically, shout out to Gordo, because Gordo knows the 109 feeling not bleh. Gordo knows the feeling fine at 109 days. So Gordo, this is a shout out to you. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my next meal, and then I'm gonna edit the vlog that's going up today, put it up, and then go to the gym, then come back, do some more editing, and then get ready for the Arnold for tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you guys when I pick the camera up next. Peace.
Hey, baby, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Okay, are you in Ohio?
Yeah, I'm in Ohio.
How do you like it?
I like it a lot better than LA.
Really?
Well, I mean, in terms of like things going right.
You got your flight on time, I'm assuming?
Yeah, I did. So I'm just like uploading this week's YouTube video, and then I'm gonna go to the gym and then come back and cook my food for my meal prep.
When are you coming home?
I fly back on Sunday. Pretty sure this is the worst lighting in the world. See if that's any better. Okay, whatever. We'll go with this lighting. So Arnold, day 1 in the books. I worked the Cured Nutrition booth. Yeah. And it was a blast. Everyone was so welcoming, and the team there is just like honestly super cool. So I had a really great time. I got in my Uber on the way home, and I need to share this with you guys and like give you guys like a genuine reaction. But basically, Angel Competition Bikinis was announcing on their Facebook Live today the newest sponsored athlete for their company. And so obviously, you know, I'm an ambassador for the brand and I love the brand, so I always check out their Facebook Lives. So I'm in the Uber and I'm looking at the live and I'm thinking like, which girl's it gonna be? Like, I know so many of them. I'm so excited for whoever it is. And they go to say the person and they said my name. They said my name. So I am the newest sponsored athlete for Angel Competition Bikinis, and I am like over the moon. The Uber driver was probably like, what is wrong with this girl? And like, I was freaking out. And I'm just like so grateful for all of the good things that happened in my life, you know, recently. Like, I've had a really good start to 2018, and a lot of good things are in the works. A lot of good things have happened, and I'm just feeling like so overwhelmingly like blessed and grateful for everything. So I just wanted to not be a loser and cry on camera, but I just wanted to get a genuine reaction of like just how fucking ecstatic I am that like they picked me and they think that I embody the principles of their brand, because their brand is amazing and they really strive to, you know, showcase the beauty of women and women that are positive role models in the industry. And the fact that they think that I am that I represent that just means so much to me, and I'm just so grateful for everything that Lauren and Kara have done for me and continue to do for me as my sponsors, and now like officially full sponsors. So yeah, I'm freaking sponsored. I'm just, I don't know. I'm surprised I even was able to like say this much, because when it like first happened and I saw it in the Uber, like I literally had no friggin' words. I was just like, just in disbelief. But yeah. In terms of footage from the Arnold today, I got zilch. I was just focusing on enjoying the expo and like having a good time. So I'm gonna focus tomorrow and Sunday on vlogging and making sure that I get some footage for you guys so that I actually have a vlog to put together for next week. But for now, I'm gonna eat because I am starving, and then I'm gonna go work out. I haven't decided yet where I'm gonna go. There's like a Planet Fitness down the road, but I know a bunch of people are going to Powerhouse, so I may go there. Issue with that though is I feel like everyone's gonna be there, and I actually want to make sure I get like quality workout in, so we'll see.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
As far as the Arnold is concerned, all I have to say is wow. It was so much fun. It was honestly just what I needed. It was a great weekend, but I am really, really excited to just kind of be home and get back into my routine. So it was really great meeting all of you and seeing everybody in person, getting to hang out with Karen and her boyfriend and all of the Cure Nutrition team. And yeah, like it was just all around a really great experience. I got to see so many of my Instagram friends in person, and meet a bunch of new friends, and I got a ton of workout gear. Like I am set now for a very long time. I think I bought like a couple, like 10 or 12 new shirts. So. And I'm back. I'm officially home, and I will not be going anywhere until I go to Fort Lauderdale for my show. And it's like 7:30. I'm really tired, but I still have to go and do my PM cardio. So I'm gonna go get that done so that I can eat my last meals and then get some sleep and then back to the grind on Monday. I am officially 3 weeks out from my show. I cannot wait. I can hear the sushi and donuts calling my name. So that will wrap up the Arnold vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button on your way out. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.